Hello everyone. Let's provide the solution to this problem. We have 2x plus square root of x equals 6. And we have to look for the value of x, right? Now, how do we deal with this? The first thing we do is to make root x the subject. So, I'm going to have root x alone, and it will be equal to 6 minus 2x. Remember, what we have here goes to the other side to become negative, right? Becomes negative. Now, to remove the square root from here, we can square root x. So, we are going to square this. But because we have squared the left hand side, we have to square the right. So, we have 6 minus 2x, and then we square this. Now sometimes you will be making a mistake to say 6 squared minus 2x squared. So you combine both of them and square. Now this and this will go. So we have our x that is equal to 6 minus 2x in two places. 6 minus 2x in two places. Okay, so now our x is equal to 6 times 6 is 36, right? Then 6 times 2x, that will give us 12x. Then 2x times 6, that will still give us 12x, right? But this negative will reflect in both of them. Now, what do we do? Minus 2x multiplied by minus 2x, that will give us plus 4x squared. Okay, so that from here we have x that is equal to 36 minus 24x plus 4x squared. Now we can arrange this in a better way. So we have 4x squared first. This is minus 24x, and this is minus x because it is plus x on the other side. Coming to meet with the others, it becomes negative. Then we have plus 36. This is equal to 0, right? Now to continue, we have 4x squared minus 25x plus 36, that is equal to 0. Now we solve this by using the formula. We have x to be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now our problem now is to identify our ABC. Okay, that will be our next step, to identify our A, B, and C, right? So now, according to this equation, A is the first, is the coefficient of x squared. So our A is 4. Now B is the coefficient of x, and that is minus 25. Now a couple of students, some students will not pick this negative. They'll just write 25 alone, and that is not correct. So it has to be negative 25. Then our C is 36, right? So let's put this back into this formula right away. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to substitute straight into the formula, and our x will be equal to negative, open bracket, negative 25. This is because this negative will appear, right? And b itself is negative 25. Then plus or minus, we have from negative 25 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a is 4 and c is 36, right? And the whole of this is over 2 times 4. Now our x will be equal to negative will give positive 25. then plus or minus negative 25 squared will give us 625. Then minus 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 36 is 576. So the whole of this will be divided by 2 times 4, and 2 times 4 is 8. Now we proceed. Our x will be equal to 25 plus or minus. If we subtract these two, we will have 49, and this will be over 8. Now x from here will be equal to 25 plus or minus square root of 49 is 7, and the whole of this will be over 8. Now we have a 2-in-1 solution. Okay, so this means that x is equal to 25 plus 7 over 8, or 25 minus 7 over 8. Okay, so from here we have x to be equal to 25 plus 7 is going to give us 32, right? So we have 32 over 8, or 25 minus 7 is 18 over 8. Okay, so if we continue, we have x to be equal to 32 divided by 8 will give us 4. Or let's reduce this to a lower term. 2 into 8 is 9, and 2 into 18 is 9, 2 into 8 is 4. Okay, so we stop at this. Now let's put this back into the equation and see. The original equation remains. Okay, so now let's put in the first value of x. So if we put 4 here, okay, let's confirm the original equation once again. Okay, the original equation is 2x plus square root of x equals 6. 2x plus square root of x equals 6. Okay, so here should have been 2x. So that means we have 2 multiplied by 4, right? Plus here we have square root of x is 4. Now, will this give us 6? We do not know. This is 2 times 4 is 8, plus square root of 4 is 2, and this is giving us 10 instead of 6. So this is to confirm that the first solution, which is x equals 4, does not satisfy the equation. Now the second value of x is 9 over 4, so we'll be having 2 multiplied by x, which will now be 9 over 4, then plus square root of 9 over 4. Will this give us 6? Let's give it a try. Now 2 will go there, and we shall have 2, right? Then we have 9 over 2. We're having 9 over 2, then plus. Here we have square root of 9, which is 3, and square root of 4 is 2. Now we can find the LCM of both of them, and it is 2, right? Now here we have 9 plus 3, and it is 12. Now 12 divided by 2 will give us 6. And then remember, it is 6 we had on the right hand side of the equation. So we are saying that x equal to 9 over 4 satisfies the equation.